Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A new study from General Motors and the University of Michigan Transportation Research Institute has found that safety systems like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warnings have been preventing many crashes. That means preventing deaths and injuries as well. It found, for instance, that the use of forward automatic emergency braking combined with forward collision alert cut rear-end striking collisions by 46%. GM safety technical fellow Raymond Kiefer.
For reverse automatic braking, we found a very significant reduction in backing crashes, 81%. So the vast majority of those crashes are being avoided with this feature.
And as the technology improves, so will the results. And in many cases, there's a need for more consumer education to teach us what the technology can and can't do. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.